of Intermediate Advanced Foxtrot. I'll see if I can remember all the things we did, which is kind of a lot of stuff. So the 2 weeks before, we showed something that looked like this. Slow, slow, half turn, back, back, half turn, slow, slow, quick, quick, and there's my reach, reach, quick, quick, right? We did that one, but we can do those in angles. Claire talked about the idea of it being a chevron, where I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to go forward, I'm going to go back. Same, very similar move. So we're going to go slow, slow, a little turn, back, back, a little turn. Now I'm going to go angle to this corner. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, here, here, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick.
Leads, you can think about heading to the sort of corners of the room each time, right? So she's got a little setup, slow, slow, yeah, that way. Now we're going that way. Now we're going that way. Yeah? And the thing that we said about this is that yes, chevrons are lovely, yes, 180s are lovely, but when you're out in the wild, sometimes you don't have space, so getting comfortable leads being able to just back into or head into whichever areas you want, make it whatever shape you want.
And to be honest, if it's a really crowded dance floor, I have a tendency to back up quite often because I don't really want to use my follow as a battering ram. I'd rather use me, right? So it can be handy, right, if you're trying to get through a crowded floor and find another position. Okay, then we did pivots, and we had a setup. We had slow, slow, and now I'm going to send her back, quick, quick.
She's sending the lower half of my body down, and she's got this hand really applying pressure saying, no, stay in the pocket, be my rock, don't go.
And so if I do it from this angle, slow, slow, quick, quick.
She's really sending that lower part of my body away.
Now I'm going to take a step very close to next to her right foot for my pivot, pivot, pivot. We talked about that float, side together. You travel this side, two, and slow, slow, send her away. Pivot, pivot, side together, slow, slow, little speed, relax, side together, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, side together.
We talked a lot about how because follows are being sent to that position, I really have to be the stabilizer for that first pivot step. So I'm really thinking about sliding my hips back on a rail, right? I'm really settling from this position. I don't want to be here at all because that doesn't feel as heavy and unbalanced, but instead I want to be settled. And we talked about the fact that when she takes that step around, I'm only sticking my foot out there and then I'm brought onto that foot. So if you watch that here, we got da-da-ba-da-da-da. I don't put the weight until it rolls right through.
Right. We also talked about a little speed,
A little scoop.
a relax, which is going to allow us to do a side together.
Indeed.
Then we started playing with, we did one more variation actually, but this one was an 8 count. So all the slow, slow, quick, quicks are in 6 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then we added a version in 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so then I need to rotate my chest. So the trick there is rotating before I take that step. So just like Claire was talking about hanging back, I have to hang back and I have to bring the follow across as I transition from the right side to the left side. So slow, quick, 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 slow. And then I'm able to step. Quick, quick, rotate.
Yep, step, and slow.
And now I can go back to slow, slow, quick, quick, or wherever I want to go from there.
Yep.
All right, then we started playing a little bit with the notion of moving from that variation and playing with this with a quick, 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 which now takes us into a slow, quick, quick, slow. So we tied this first variation where we're doing 8 steps this way and 8 steps that way into this variation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Slow. Quick, slow. Quick, you either travel or do a push off, depending on how much rotation I would like to get.
Right, so if she does that and then she pushes off and travels it, that's one feeling. Or if she rotates it and then breaks and stays put in place, she rotates and breaks, that's going to give me that wonderful swinging centrifugal motion, right, feeling that we have when we're getting set up for turning walls, when we're doing this, right? When we're setting up for turning walls, it's actually the same thing, different rhythm. That same thing, we're getting that lovely momentum, that lovely rotational energy set up, and then going into it, right? So having that lovely push-off, great option, but also really leads getting comfortable with this swing, that discus thrower motion, and allowing your follow to move away from you to get that beautiful counterbalance which we will use.
So from there, we said we could take advantage of that thing we learned in pivots with sending our follow quick, pivot, and side together. We can do a slow, we can, without adding those 8 steps and 8 steps to get into it. We now can use that pivot, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, and here I can take it around, slow, quick, between, around, between, around,
we're doing
quick, slow, quick, and I can go back here, send them away, come around, quick. So we're going to continue, even if we've been doing this and this, as I bring her here, I'm still going to send her away before I step around.
We want that lovely hang back.
So, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow,
breaking,
quick,
around,
now slow it around.
quick, slow,
Quick, slow,
ha, quick,
drive,
right?
And quick.
Right? We said that leads, if you were doing even just this check, right? This is great. If you wanted to take that into a side together, right? You wanted to load up and then really think about that linear energy. Same thing here, we're doing that lovely waltz trot turning waltz. It's excellent. Yeah. If she wants to do that side together, she's gonna really give me that beautiful push off. So linear. I know, we're done with turning walls.
I know, right? All right.
I think
That's it. That's what we got
Thank you
done in the
guys
last
so
couple
much.
weeks.